Haka karwa bapa ke nongialam ke JSU syakilat patai kebor hadirin bagi nongialam ke JNC nado Presiden General Secretary but Public City Secretary kila syakam hak lenti benleca ke jaka public hearing kia da kata kelenti ke berjai-jai hendrai ke sorkar ke tom da ke bor kania ke peni bak sorkar ke sensyar dan bor. Na kata kedau ke JSU sengkme ke pendam joria kini ke jinglek reklau kini ke sorkar NPP kumno pen-penek ya ke syong-suk-syong-san haba pisdang nala dia bantambor ya paidbah da ke besiat tiar gas bat pipen kenro ya ke an ba piti ya ke trio ban kang ya usurok paidbah kene ke pausyai ba kamne ke public hearing kade ke private hearing jong ke sarkar MDA 2 ke JSU ke penrem ya ke jengkeran usembut menteri rangba ke jelau ba presiden tinsang na mariala dia usyang ha office tip ya ke baki pulit kilek la keno ke JSU kum keseng kamla ban priang ya kene ke jenglek ha ke imlang salang ke JSU ke keno ba kene ke de ke jenglek dan bor kene ke sorkar ke balai alam dau konrad ya ke bakim la ban priang na maria ke balaja la pensisyalang ba ki dorki ke balai yo bandrung da ki reu paidbah ong ki jong yalam ke JSU ki dekat keseng ki lepoi halum somat hendrai kim shim la yo shah banya shim bynta.
Today, the 31st of July 2026, we, the JSU Students Union, were not allowed to participate in a public hearing held by Shree Cement Limited regarding their mines at Lom Sarman. A little bit about the public hearing. We had reached the spot for the public hearing yesterday around evening around 4 to 5 p.m. and we had witnessed that some members of other student unions had been detained by the police, and upon inquiry on their detainment, it was known that there was no probable cause, there was no arrest warrants, there was no summons issued by the police department regarding their arrest and their detains. We from the JSU Students Union were there and we participated with the people, with the local people who were against the mining project of Shree Cement. We were with other NGOs from JNC, JSU and others. We were there and we had given moral support yesterday to the people of Elaka Nongkhle, and also we were there till the evening because we had to be ready to attend the public hearing in the morning today. So upon waiting on the public hearing, what happened yesterday at around 11:30 p.m. somehow, there was a mishap where our ambulance of JSU Students Union Central Body was targeted and attacked upon a rescue mission that it was set onto Shnongrim village. It was said we had received a distress call from a resident of Shnongrim village, and at that moment, the Education Secretary had allowed the ambulance driver to go and attend to Shnongrim from Cement Bazaar, and the driver could not reach the destination because he was mishandled, and there was goons who attacked the vehicle and who even attacked the medical attendees at that moment. We clearly condemn this barbarianism of these people, of these goons employed by the Shree Cement company. We condemn that these people do not have that sense of humanity in them, that they can't even differentiate between an ambulance and a private vehicle. So also we had received news that there were women from Shnongrim village who had been assaulted because they were not allowed to go and protest regarding the public hearing. So we condemn this news also. And also we condemn the news of Shree Cement that they had to buy these goons from outside the district, from outside of East Jaintia Hills, and they had to buy these goons for 1,000, 2,500 or whatever going rate they're going at, just to attend the public hearing and to be goons for them, to hold catapults or any other weapons that they were given by the leaders. And strongly we condemn this public hearing today, which we could not attend. As you know, we have sent the visuals via our media cell. I think the press also has received the visuals regarding the public hearing. We were not able to attend the public hearing as there was a mob in force. They were using weapons, they were throwing stones, they were tossing many other sharp objects at us, and we could not go and attend the public hearing. And just recent, we have received the news that the public hearing went smoothly without any opponents, which is clearly false, and we clearly condemn this because this is not a public hearing, this is a private hearing. One thing I would like to condemn from the JSU Students Union side, we strongly condemn the Home Minister on his statements regarding the first public hearing, where he said that we should solve our matters at the public hearing, we should go and attend these public hearings there, but it seems that it's clear that he does not want us to attend. And just day before, he had given a statement in the news that he has instructed the SP and the DC of East Jaintia Hills to maintain the law and order situation so that people could participate in the public hearing. But today we have seen the results and it's clearly false, and he has given false hope and his statements are all false. So we condemn the Home Minister and we demand for his resignation because he cannot even keep his word, even holding such a big position in the cabinet. And also we condemn the arrest of these other student union leaders where they have been detained without any probable cause. So we strongly condemn this, and I'm sure the other student unions will move this matter into a legal matter, and then they will consult with us so that we will tackle it in a different way. Also, from the JSU Students Union side, we have called the DSP of East Jaintia Hills today before the public hearing started, right after we were assaulted by these goons, and he has assured us, and we had telephonic conversation with him which was recorded, and also we will be giving it in a statement via an FIR to the SP tomorrow. The DSP has confirmed that he will take care of us and he will lead us to the public hearing, which also the Home Department, the Police Department of East Jaintia Hills has failed drastically. So tomorrow, we from our union will be filing an FIR to the SP of East Jaintia Hills, and we will see in the upcoming days what action can be taken from the SP side. And if we find that the SP cannot take any action, we will move to a higher council, we will move to a higher office, or even move to the Meghalaya High Court regarding the situation. Lastly, we would like to thank all our members and the participants who participated in the public hearing, who were en route to participate on the public hearing against the Shree Cement Limited mining plan at Lumsarman. We would like to thank each and every member for being with us, and I hope that they don't lose hope. They don't lose hope regarding this public hearing, because actually we have not lost. We won't consider it a loss because we were not allowed to attend at the public hearing. So I don't think we'll consider it as a loss, because we will try other remedies regarding the matter. Thank you very much.